Okay guys, so we're going to be making a cauliflower fish curry later. So let's go ahead and season our fish. So here I have some fish fillets. This, I already washed the fish out with some lime juice. And this fish here is called ocean perch fillets, right? So let me cut it a little smaller. Alright, so to this I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some garlic powder. I'm going to add some onion powder. I'm going to add some Mrs. Dash seasoning blend. I'm going to add some green seasoning. So these are the veggies that I have here. I have some red onion, I have some seasoning peppers here, some carrot, bell pepper, and cauliflower. Okay, so these are the veggies that we're going to use in order to make our fish curry. And of course, we have our fish that we had marinating over here. Okay. Okay guys, so let's begin with making our fish curry with vegetables. So what I'm going to do first is put some coconut milk here, and I'm going to saute my curry paste. In the coconut milk. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of this yellow curry paste. Okay, I'm going to saute this along with some onions and seasoning peppers and my ginger garlic paste. So I have that there. Let me add in the onion and then I'll mix everything together. And I add in my seasoning peppers. I probably have about 6 or 7 seasoning peppers colored here. Alright, let's mix this. Now because the fish that I have is some small fish fillets and fish doesn't take that long to cook, I'm going to be cooking my veggies first and then I'll be adding my fish. So I'm using this yellow curry paste here. Yellow curry paste. So let's just leave this to sweat a little bit and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm going to add in some ginger garlic paste to this. I have my ginger garlic paste. Alright, at this point I'm going to add in my veggies now. We're going to add the rest of the coconut milk. You might need to add some more water to this. What I'm going to do is cover this and allow the veggies to cook. To add a little salt to this, I'm going to be using some fish sauce. Put a little bit now and then we can always taste to see if we need to add any more. Alright, so let's get our cover so we can cover this and allow this to cook. Alright, so my vegetables have been cooking for a little while. They still need to be softened a little more. I'm going to add a little more fish sauce to it. Remember, I'm using fish sauce as the salt. Okay. I'm also going to add a little bit of jaggery powder for sweetness. You always want to balance sweet with savory. I'm going to allow these veggies to soften a little more. I did add water to this besides the coconut milk. So we're just going to leave this to let this soften a little more before we add our fish. I'll just let it go for a couple more minutes and then add the fish so that it will still continue to cook while the fish is cooking. Okay, so guys, I'm going to add the fish now. Alright, so I'm going to cover this to allow my fish to cook. Okay guys, so you want to leave this uncovered so that it can help evaporate some of the liquid. We don't want all that gravy. Of course, you will want to taste to see if you need to add more salt, or in my case, fish sauce to it.